So now we are going to study about the Raas, renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system. Here we can see the basic definition of Raas. It is a critical hormone system in the body that regulates blood pressure, blood volume, electrolyte balance. Triggered by low blood pressure or kidney fluid depletion, it releases enzymes like renin and hormones like angiotensin or aldosterone that narrow the blood vessels and increase water retention. So, what is the main objective? The main objective of RAS is to secretion of mineralocorticoid. Now, question arises: what is mineralocorticoid? It is also known as aldosterone. Aldosterone is a hormone which prevents our body from dehydration and excessive bleeding. So, from where mineralocorticoid is secreted? So we have to study about brief study about adrenal gland. So adrenal gland is an endocrine gland which is situated at top of each kidneys. It is divided into two layers. The middle one is known as medulla and the outer one is known as cortex. Then again the cortex layer is divided into three layers: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. Okay, this layer, the zona glomerulosa, secretes the mineralocorticoid or aldosterone, which prevent our body from dehydration and excessive bleeding. And it is not directly secreted; it is triggered by the RAS system. So let's see the RAS system: renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system. When our body gets dehydrated or excessive bleeding, our liver secretes the angiotensinogen, which is an inactive form and made up of 450 amino acids. Simultaneously, the kidney will release renin. This renin converts the angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1, which is made up of 10 amino acids, but it is also an inactive form. So, and this renin will secreted by juxtaglomerular apparatus present in kidney, the DCT, distal convoluted tubule, afferent arteries, and collecting tubules are collectively called as juxtaglomerular apparatus. Okay, so now we have angiotensin 1 made up of 10 amino acids and inactive form. Now, the lung will secrete AEC, angiotensin converting enzyme. This enzyme converts the angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2, and which is made up of 8 amino acids and an active form. If we remove histidine and leucine from angiotensin 1, it will convert into the angiotensin 2. Now we have two paths to work in different direction. Okay, if this angiotensin 2 moves to blood vessels, it will prevent from excessive bleeding. So how it will prevent? If we have blood vessel in diluted form, so this enzyme will constrict the blood vessels and prevent the excessive bleeding. Okay, case 1. And case 2, when this angiotensin 2 moves to adrenal gland via blood and triggered the zona glomerulosa to secrete the mineralocorticoid or aldosterone, will leads to reabsorption of NaCl, H2O and secretion of potassium ions. And this case 2 will prevent our body from dehydration. Okay, this is how it works.